It's go time. We're writing the offer. How are we going to compete? Well, this actually starts prior to us even sitting down to writing the offer. This starts when I first reach out to that other agent and I start having the dialogue when we're going to see the house. I'm asking very appropriate, appointed questions to them to hear their response, to give me some intel on what we need to do to get you that home. So if it's a super strong seller's market, probably not going to get closing cost credits, right? If they need to stay in the house after we close escrow, probably going to have to give them the rent back. If it's a buyer's market, not a lot of activity on the home, well, that then puts us in the driver's seat so we can set those terms and conditions to benefit you. So it's super important that we are on the same page, we communicate what the expectations are. But just know from day one, when I start talking to that listing agent, I'm working on angles and asking them very specific questions to be able to help us write the most competitive offer as possible. As always, catch you on the next one.